Hi everybody. So today is just gonna be a quick video. Just for today, I'm just gonna do a quick tutorial. I'm just gonna do a simple eye makeup look for you. So I hope you enjoy it. Sorry, it's not gonna be a long video today. So yeah. Anyways, so the brush that I've got for my eyes, for the eyeshadow, is just this pointed kind of brush. And then I'm going to be using my shimmer palette for the eyeshadow. And then I'm going to be going into actually, sorry, I'm going to go into this, this duochrome, I guess it's like a duochrome kind of colour. It's got like blues and pinks into it. Yeah, blues, pinks, and yeah, blues, pinks, blues and pinks. So I'm just gonna put that. Oops. Before I do that, I'm just gonna put my concealer on. I am next week gonna buy a new concealer because this one's running out, and I also need to get another mascara. You know what I might actually use instead of my concealer? I'll just rub that in a bit. Just gonna use my P. Louise base. Yeah, I feel like this will be a lot better. So I'm just gonna, I think I've put way too much on my finger for that. I don't know what happened to me using my brush, but I'll use my fingers for this part, and then use my brush as I was going to in the first place with my eyeshadow. So, very quickly, I've done that, and then I'll have to find the lid for that later. So I'm going to go back into that colour, the shimmer shade, with the blues and kind of pink into it. So I hope this shows up well on the camera. Once I've done this eye, I'll come up close. Like that. You might not be able to see on the camera very good, but it is a nice shimmery colour. I don't know if I'm showing that very well. I am trying to do this quick today because I've only got so long before I have to do something. Sorry, I'm just concentrating what I'm doing for underneath the eyes. So, I don't know if I just mentioned, but I'm going to not bother with my foundation today. Just a bit of concealer and my highlighter for a little bit on my cheeks. So I don't know if that's showing up very well. I think maybe slightly. Yeah. I think that's showing up alright. Like that. That's that one. And then now a little bit of, not ideal to do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. Oh, bit too much. Yeah, so I was going to just do it like that. That's what I normally do. A little bit on my nose. That's what I do normally as well. And I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer on this bit of my eye. Well, underneath. I'm really running out of that concealer, so there's not really much on. Right, now my eyeliner. Just a little bit more. And I'm trying to poke myself in the eye. Like that. off the lid. Found it. And then I'm going to go in with a lipstick, if I can find one that I want. I'll tell you what, I'm just going to go with this light colour, light pink colour. Like that. Sorry, I was just looking at an email I just received. And then my Mega Lash mascara. That is, oops, a little bit of blush before I finish off this makeup look. And my, oh, if I can open it, there we go. My blush palette, just a little bit of this light pink, I'm sorry, oh gosh, this light pink here, I think is what I've just picked up. Instead of the one that I was gonna go with. A little bit more. So, that is my makeup look done. Sorry it was like just 13 minutes. But yeah, just a quick makeup look for you today. I'll try and do a longer one next week. Also, if I have time later, I will do part 2 of my chocolate taste testing. And just in case that doesn't get put up on my channel today, that'll be next week, but keep an eye out just in case anyway. Hopefully I can do it later, just depends, but yeah, I'll do a longer video next week, and then see what other ones that I've got planned. I'll have a think and see if I can come up with some makeup looks for next week to do, and anything else. So keep an eye out for the taste testing video, ASMR video. So yeah, could be today, it could be next week, that I'm not sure. Alright everybody, hope you like this makeup look. Like and subscribe if you like this makeup look. And I'll see you next week I'll see you next week if my next video doesn't come up later. Bye.